Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. How you guys doing? I'm so excited to film this video because today's video is nothing but the no makeup look. I know everyone loves it because it's so simple and it's very fast. It just takes very low effort and you basically need just very few products to achieve this glam. So if you're a simple girly and you're still looking for a way to just, add something to your face but you don't want to do too much, stick around because this video is for you. And if you just want to keep it simple all the time, this video is for you. But before we get into the video, have you subscribed? Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, just share and leave a comment, and let's get right into the video. So first thing, I love moisturizing my lips. I'm using the Tear lip oil. So my sister have been trying to steal this lip oil from me, but I always hide it because if she gets her hands on it, it's all over for me. I know when I upload my video and my sister says this, she's just going to call me up, but I don't care. So guys, next up is your skin prep. I'm moisturizing my face with the Tear Milk Skin Toner. I'm using the light because I'm an oily skin girly. I don't really want to use the normal toner. I'm using the light because it just gives me the perfect moisture I need for my skin. So it goes like this. And also this is so good for your skincare, it's really good. So I'm just applying it. You give it a minute to dry out. So guys, I just did my brows. If you want a full brow tutorial, you can check my channel. I have a full brow tutorial. I just don't want this video to be too long. So next up is my primer. I'm using my Easy Glow primer. Of course, you have to use your primer. I'm just going to apply a little bit. In as much as it's a no makeup look, you're still going to have makeup on, so you have to prep your skin properly. Oh no, I have this pimple here. Oh my god, the weather is so crazy. So next up is I have blemishes. I have spots here. So I'm going to use my orange corrector from LA Girl Pro Concealer. What am I saying? From LA Girl Cosmetics. This is their orange corrector, their LA Girl Pro Conceal orange corrector. I don't know what I'm saying, so I'm just going to add a little here and here just to cover up my spots. I don't think I need here, no. So I want to blend with a brush. So I'm using this brush here to just, you tap it. I don't want to use a sponge because sponge will just take a lot and not cover it properly. Okay, so this is what I usually do after the orange corrector. I know you'll be wondering, why won't it make my face so orange? So what I usually do is I use concealer. So I'm using my Huda Beauty concealer. I still have concealer here I use for my brows. I always take out a lot, so I don't think, okay, so I'm going to mix this is 2 shades. I'm just going to mix it together. So what I usually do is where I have the orange corrector, I always add it up, and also I just take it here under my eye. We're not using concealer, so I do have this mark here, so I'm just going to conceal it. This makeup is basically less is more, so you have to take it easy how you go with your concealer, because if you go with too much concealer, you're just going to regret it. Okay, so this right here is all you need as your base. This right here. So this is how to blend it out. So I'm using my damp beauty sponge. It's damp, not wet. So I'm just going to, so you're going to spread it out. You have to make sure it's completely blended out. Okay, and the eye, just take it around your eye. you have to be very careful with the quantity of concealer you add on your face, so your face won't turn out white. Okay, I think this is good because I don't want to overblend it. So next up is powder. So I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder. This powder works more of, is a full coverage powder. It's a powder to foundation, powder plus foundation, yeah, compact. So it will definitely give you full coverage. So I'm using my brush because I don't want it to be too much. Okay, take it around. So this will give you more coverage. So going under your eye. I know you'll be wondering, why are you not setting your face? But no, setting your under eye, setting your face will actually make your face more bright. As I'm done applying my powder, if you can see, everything is looking really nice. Yeah, I actually like it. So this powder will actually give you more full coverage. So, but what I actually like doing is, I use this my powder. It has more of a golden undertone than the MAC. I don't know if you can see it. It has a golden undertone. So I just like to just give myself a golden finish. So if you can see, I have contact lens on. It's from Core Eyes. It was gifted and it's super. I'm not really someone that puts on contact lenses. It's very rare. So I got gifted and it's really looking good. If you can see it, I don't even think you can see because it's actually close to my natural eye color. So if you want to purchase, use my code. I'm going to leave my code link in my description box. You can shop and get 20% off and also buy 2 get 3 free. Great deal, right? Yeah. So also you can also actually get your prescription there too. So click on the link in my bio and is it bio? Click on the link in my description box. I don't know what I'm saying, but click on the link in my description box and shop, get your 20% off with my code and buy 2 get 3 free. Great deal. So next up, let's get this look to the next level, but we're still keeping it simple though. So I'm using my blush. I think I've used this blush twice since I got it. It's a Nigerian brand, and the other day I looked at it, it was actually really nice. So I'm going to, it has many blush colors, so good. I don't know why this is looking yellow, but it's orange in color. So I think I'm going to take the pink and the orange and just to brighten up my face. But it's actually not a must, but you know, girl gotta add some blush to her face. Okay, just to enhance your cheekbones. And okay, so this is it. We're not done. So next up is, let's do something with our eyes. I have a mascara here. This is a Nigerian brand, Omari Code. I love it. I'm almost out. So just take your lashes up under your lower lash though. So I just applied my mascara and it's looking good. So we're still keeping it simple, remember. So next up is my setting spray. I'm almost out, but don't worry. When I got this, I got 2 or 3, I think so. So this is just the first bottle. I'm almost out. This is the Milani Make It Last spray and it's really good. It's really good. So let's spray. I'm going to let it dry and then the lips. So guys, for the lips, this is where you go all out for your lips because the face is already simple. So you can take any color of lip gloss, lipstick or anything and just apply just to make your face pop. So I'm using this lip liner. It's wine red. Okay. So guess the gloss I'm going to use. This was a trend last year. The Fenty Beauty Fuchsia Pink gloss. I don't know if we still use it, but because it was actually a huge trend last year and I haven't used it for months. I won't lie. I haven't used it for months. I decided to use it today. This color. Okay. Love it. The shimmer. The color. Oh my god. My face is a little bit shiny. I don't really like it, but if you want a shiny finish, that's okay. I'm just going to touch it up a little. So you think we're done? We're not done. So we're going to use the Tear, I know. The Tear Max Fit Waterproof Setting Spray. This is their new waterproof setting spray. Okay, oh my god. Okay, this is actually the holy grail. Really nice. And if you want to see a test video on how I tested it with water, check my Instagram. I'm going to put my Instagram handle on the screen. Okay, let's spray. This is great. Do you know the crazy thing? It doesn't give you that wet finish. It just, I don't know, it just evaporates immediately and I really love it. So guys, let me do my hair and I'll be back. This is it guys. This is basically my no makeup look. My everyday glam, soft glam, anytime, any day I want to go out. So this is always what I always do. If I don't want to do too much to my face, it's a low effort makeup, very few products, 5 to 10 minutes and you're done. So if you're the type that just wants to keep it simple, this glam is for you. Just switch up your lips and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching and I hope this video was very helpful for you. See you in my next video. Bye.